bowl is not cooperating. Do you want to bite it or do you want Eric to do it? She's trying to be. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. I have my special guest, Tori, here again today.
Hello.
Today we are making chopped Italian sub hoagie sandwiches. Are you making?
You didn't sip
Pieces? Oh. Are you doing this behind
No,
me?
I was saying you didn't sip.
Did you even tell them why you're doing Italian dishes?
It's Italian month. August is Italian month. Did I not say that?
Obviously.
I mean, come on. Obviously. What?
It's still July.
So, Tori's going to make the sauce for the sandwiches.
Okay, sorry. All right, so the sauce for the sandwiches, we're gonna start with half a cup of mayo, and then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 3 tablespoons of Italian dressing. So I already have those measured out here. Very easy, very simple. What?
What was that?
Oh, that was the Italian dressing.
For sure.
I'm positive. And then this is the red wine vinegar. And we're just gonna mix that. Ew, it doesn't look great, but it'll taste amazing, I promise.
And then you can salt and pepper it. While she's doing that, what I have here is about, it says 2 cups, a generous 2 cups of lettuce. I have about 4 ounces of ham.
For what?
4 ounces, what did I say?
Ounces.
Ounces of ham. Same of, oh my God, salami. I'm losing my mind here. Pepperoni.
What are you making?
Easy peasy. Remember, I told you things were going to be easy peasy?
No,
I am making chopped sub sandwiches. Sandwiches. What does Eric say? Sydney Campbell. It sounds like. Eric's laughing in the background. Tomatoes. All the fixins.
How
And
many
you know,
tomatoes?
this is 1 large tomato.
How many onions?
Half of a large onion.
You should probably tell them that.
And Eric already ate part of the onion while we were waiting. So we're just gonna chop away. Eric, are you ready to be our taster soon here?
Not really how you chop.
Well, it's how you chop this much stuff. Shit.
Tori's not doing anything.
You have to add salt and pepper to it.
I added salt and pepper.
Okay. Did you do a little taste test of it to see if you like it?
Let's see if we like it. How about that? Oh, it's actually really good.
Oh, there you go.
Mm-hmm. Now you have to wash your hands if you lick your fingers.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all this in a bowl. Let me get a big bowl. I thought I got a big bowl
You're
out.
not prepared.
I know, I'm sorry, but I had a big bowl out, but I don't know what I did with it.
Filming nothing.
These are my Pioneer Woman bowls. We're just gonna put this in here. Tori, you wanna throw your dressing in there?
Oh, I pour it in there?
Yep.
I thought we were gonna put it on the subs. I guess this makes more sense.
Yeah.
This is why you're Mama Deb.
That's why I'm Mama Deb.
And I'm just Tori.
You're doing good.
You hear that, Debsters?
We'll see.
Is that what we're calling the people who watch the show? Do they have a nickname?
We could have them get a nickname.
Not like the Debsters or something? What do you guys think? They don't like it, I don't think.
The crowd is quiet. The crowd of my two of my 3 sons is very quiet. I didn't make more. You're good, huh? Looks like a big salad, doesn't it? Isn't that look good?
It's delicious.
Okay.
Starving.
Are you?
Mhm.
Do you want to be the taste tester or you want Eric to? You can take
I'm
a
definitely
do
gonna eat.
Yeah, you're gonna eat.
Have them each start at one of the sub.
What? Yep. They can if they want. Eric James.
Yes.
You're up.
Oh, we're doing the whole shoot shebang in one shot?
In one shot.
thought
you.
she was going first. Oh my gosh.
What?
Big ass sandwich.
He's a big ass boy. Oh, Eric is falling out.
Take it for the next break. It's your show.
Hold that. Oh, fuck. This roll is not cooperating. Do you want to bite it or do you want Eric to do it? She's trying to be. Okay, you gotta hold it together. I know, that roll does look like it. Hey, they're the ones you wanted.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Good? Okay, I'll make you a better roll.
Roll shit. That's good.
It's Smith's rolls, the ones you like.
Smith's fucking fix your rolls. These are dog shit.
Okay, that was it. Easy peasy. A nice little easy dinner there. Thank you for joining Mama Debz.
Thank you,
Tori. She's going out tonight, so she's dressed for success, I guess. Check us out next week. It's Italian month. August is Italian month.
Go Italians.